We are here at 151 Dryden Road, Collegetown Center to see apartment 401. This is a rectangle style studio apartment on the south side of the building. We are entering through the kitchen. You can see the refrigerator. There's the sink and dishwasher. There's a microwave, stove, and oven. You can see there are cabinets. There's the countertop and some drawers. As we enter the kitchen area, you can see this small space over at the left is great for a shoe rack, a narrow table, or maybe a shelf if you have some additional storage items of your own you wanted to bring in. As we enter the apartment, the closet is here on our right. Let's pass by and take a look. So here is your closet space. So there's a door, there's a rack, and you can see good storage space here in the closet. Let's take a look in the main part of the apartment. You can see the furnishings. It will always be that bookshelf, a dining table and chair, a desk and chair, a full-size bed, and a dresser. We're facing to the south. We'll go take a look out the window, but let's look in the bathroom first. Here's the bathroom over here on this side. You can see the door. Let's go on in. You can see there's the tub shower with the sliding door. There's the sink and vanity underneath that does open up for storage. The toilet, you can see I've got that small medicine cabinet on the wall open there a little bit, so there's a little bit of storage space behind that, and that nice big mirror in the bathroom. Let's take a look out the window. So we're facing to the south here. This is away from Dryden Road. This is also the brighter side of the building. We are facing south, and over here to our right we have some great valley views. That is southwest. Over to the southeast we can see towards College Avenue. You can see a bit of the parking lot below. Parking is available as a separate lease contract for people that may have a car. So that's a look at Collegetown Center apartment 401, a south rectangle apartment here on the 4th floor of this 6th floor elevator building, right in the center of Collegetown at 151 Dryden Road. And from the corner, we're just 1 block from campus.